If you tender a plea for an OUI, or if you go to trial and you lose and you're convicted, um, in either of these circumstances, the judge is going to ask you, where was your last drink prior to arrest? And this kind of baffles a lot of defendants. The judge is asking this because he's required to by law. And if your last drink was at a public establishment, something like a restaurant, a bar, any place that's licensed to sell alcohol, you're supposed to give the name of that establishment to the court. The clerk then takes the name of that restaurant or bar or whatever it is. It sends it to the state's Beverage Control Commission, the Attorney General's office, the district attorney's office, and the establishment itself will receive notice as well. So just keep this in mind. If you get an OUI and you're going to tender a plea, or if you go to trial and you lose before the judge imposes a sentence, he's going to ask you, where was your last drink? And a lot of times people, because they had been drinking, they can't remember. So it's worth giving a moment's thought as to where you were prior to the arrest, so that you can just tell the court and not look baffled or not look any worse than you need to in that moment. I've written a blog post on this. I'll put it in the description below.